Hi, this is Miss Reilly-Harden, and today we're going to be solving equations using algebra tiles. Let's look at an equation that has parentheses in it. So 3 times, in parentheses, x plus 2 equals 9 is the equation that we're going to solve. Remember, this equation means I'm looking for a number that if you add 2 to the number and then multiply that sum by 3, that value is equal to 9. Let's build it with some tiles. So just like when you work order of operations problems, when we build equations with algebra tiles, we're going to start inside the parentheses. So I'm going to start by building x plus 2. Now this 3 on the outside of the parentheses tells us we need 3 groups of x plus 2. We need to build that x plus 2 3 times. So I'm going to build another x plus 2, and I'm going to build another x plus 2. Now I have 3 x plus 2's. The other side, I need 9 ones. Remember, we're using the yellow side of these squares for positive numbers. So my goal when I'm solving equations, I want to get all of these x's alone on one side of the equation and have any ones on the other side. Okay, so one thing I notice here is I can group these x's together, group these ones together. And what another way I could think of this equation is 3x plus 6 equals 9. I have 3 x's and 3 2's. 3 x's is 3x. 3 2's is 6. So to simplify this, I notice I have ones on both sides. For every one I take off on the left side, as long as I take off one on the right side, my equation stays balanced. So I can subtract all 6 ones from the left. And in order to keep my equation balanced, I also have to subtract 6 ones from the right. Notice my discard piles are identical. That's how I know I kept the equation balanced. Did not go out of balance in either direction. So now I've simplified it. I have 3x is equal to 3. And I need to know how much each of my x's is worth. Split up my x's. Divide up my ones into 3 groups because I have 3 x's. And that tells me my solution is x is equal to 1. Let's just look at our equation and see if that makes sense. If I have 1, if x is 1, if I add 2 to that, I get 3. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Let's write that out. So we found our equation was x equals 1. Our solution, was x equals 1. to check that that solution works, I'm going to start with my equation. And I'm going to substitute in the value of 1 for x. Now I'm going to work out both sides of the equation and make sure I have the same value on each side. Now on the right side, I don't have anything to work out. I already know the value on the right side is 9. So I'm just going to leave that alone. I'm going to work out the value on the left side. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Our values match. Let's bring down the 9. The value of both sides of the equation, of each side of the equation, is 9 when x is equal to 1. X equals 1 is the solution.